Welcome back to Tech Tales. Have you ever wondered how your phone or laptop connects to the internet without a single wire? Today, we are going to uncover the magic behind Wi-Fi, and it's simpler than you think. Wi-Fi is basically an invisible radio waves that carry data between your devices and the internet. Think of it like a bridge, letting your devices talk to the world without wires. At the heart of the Wi-Fi is the router. It's like a post office, sending and receiving all the information from the internet and delivering it to your devices. A stronger router means faster and more reliable Wi-Fi. Whenever you want to open or stream a video, your devices send a request through a Wi-Fi signal to the router. The router sends it to the internet, gets the data and delivers it back, all in just milliseconds. Wi-Fi speed is always perfect. Distance, walls and other electronics can interfere with the signal. That's why your Wi-Fi may slow down in some rooms. And here is a quick tip. Always use strong passwords to protect your Wi-Fi. It keeps unwanted visitors out and keeps your data safe. And that is it. The invisible magic of Wi-Fi explained it simply. If you learned something new, hit like, subscribe and comment below which Wi-Fi tips surprised you the most. See you in the next video.